Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 20 Congruency of Triangles Exercise 20A question number 1, and this is the B part, or you can say second part, whatever you want to say. Now, it says applying the SAS congruence rule. So, here, like the previous question, we had the SSS rule, right? You remember the side, side and side rule. So all the sides of the triangle have to be exactly of the same length in order for the triangle, basically for the triangle to be congruent. Here it changes from SSS to SAS, right? Now what is this SAS? It stands for side, right? Side, angle and side. Fine. So what it means? Side, angle, side. Now see here that again, if you look at the figures, right, I'll just make it a bit larger, right? So this is our figure, fine. And what all you can find here, like the previous question, all the sides were given. Here what has been given is two sides and one angle. You can see this is the angle and these are the two sides that are given, fine. So this is how we have to check for congruency. The angle that is given should be of the same measure, and the length of the two sides that is given should also be of the same measure. This is what this is, and remember the SAS, it stands for side, angle and side, fine. So now here you can clearly see that we have the first part, and what all things are given in the first part. See, first of all, the angle has been given, and that is of 40 degrees, right? This one, all right, this one and this angle as well, fine. Both of our angles are of 40 degrees. Then we have to see that what is the length of this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, right? You can again see that they are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So you see that we can find pair of equal sides here as well. So this means that our triangles are congruent. Both the sides are equal and angles are also of the same measures, right? So you see that basically we can write it like this, that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, and then we have let's what do we call it, EDF, fine. So let's say sorry, right, so let's say this as DEF, fine. ABC, right? So DEF, fine. This will be the correct sequence. So this will be ABC and this will be DEF. So now we can see that these triangles are congruent as well, because both of the angles are the same and the sides also are the same. So triangle ABC is congruent to DEF, and we can verify this as well. See, first we have AB and this is AB, that is 4 centimeter. Then here we have DE is also 4 centimeters, and then we have BC. So BC is also, the length of BC is not given, and then EF, again the length is not given, and then AC also, A and C, the length is 5 centimeters, and D and F, the length is 5 centimeters as well, fine. Then now next one is what, let's see. So next triangle, what all things are given to us, let's see. So it says that the first side that is given, that is 3 centimeters, and the other side that is given is 3.5 centimeters, or 3, yes, 3 is given. See, BC is 3 centimeters, PR is also 3 centimeters. Again, equal sides, right? Two equal sides. So this means one side is equal. Then the second side that is given should also be of the same length. It is 2.8 centimeter here, but here you see it is 3.5 centimeters. So are these triangles congruent? No, because all the sides, sorry, all the two sides that are given, those should be equal, and one pair we can find of equal sides, but the other, if we try, it will not be equal, because one side is 2.8 centimeters but other is 3.5 centimeters. If you talk about angle, angle is also the same measure, but the sides are not the sides are not equal, hence our triangles will not be congruent as well. Fine. So for the second part we can write it here that the triangle that is given is what, not congruent, or simply no, you whatever you want to write it here. Fine, I'll write not congruent. Then next is third one. Again, the angle that is given is of 50 degrees. It is totally up to you. You can start seeing from the sides or the angles, totally up to you. I am doing from angles here first, right? So this is 50 degrees, this one also 50 degrees, so angles are equal. So now move on to the sides. One side is 5 centimeter, other is also 5 centimeters. Then one side is 6 centimeters and the other one is also 6 centimeters. So we are able to make two pairs of equal sides in both of the triangles, and the angle also measures equal. This means that this triangle is congruent. Now write down the measures as well. So 1, 2 and 3. Fine. So triangle, and then what triangle is given here? EFD. Okay, so EF I'll start off with, let's say, so this will be EFD. Again, EF is 6 centimeters, F and D 5 centimeters, and ED, again the length is not given, right, is congruent to, and the congruency symbol, right, and again here we put the length of this triangle. So RQP, this we can say, right? So RQ, again RQ is 6 centimeters, that is why I am writing RQ, right? You can write other centimeter as well. Then P, so QP is 5 centimeters, right, and so is RQ as well. Then next one, again here you see that angles are same and one side is common in this figure. We can see this is 4.8 centimeters and this is 45 degrees. This one also 45 degrees and this is 4.8 centimeters. Fine. So we can see that the measure of the sides is the same and the angles also measure the same. So this means that these triangles are congruent as well. But you can see one more thing here, that this side is common. This one AC, you can see this AC is common in both the triangles. Let's say if this is A, B and C triangle, then here what will we have? A, C and D triangle. You need to keep a measure of the sides. Okay, so again the angles are equal. This 45 degree, this 45 degree. One side is 4.8 centimeter, other is also 4.8 centimeter, and this AC is common in both the triangles. So this one will also prove as another side which is equal only, because see, if it is coming in two triangles, then it will be equal in both of them. It cannot be that in one triangle it will be longer and in the other it will be shorter. So this means again these triangles are congruent, and basically what name we write, the symbolic form of this. So let's say triangle ABC is congruent to, and then the other part, right, that will be what, A, C and D. Fine. So triangle ACD. So again we can see that both the triangles are congruent. Alright, and friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.